The goddess on a regular basis is with us. The color of this goddess is white because she's always in Shvet Varna. She's called as Shvet Varni. And also the color peacock green. Now, why peacock green? As we all know, Lord Krishna wears a feather on his crown. The feather, which is a symbol of the awakened wisdom, the symbol of being able to see life beyond the seven chakras we are operating from. And that is the reason today we are going to go one step ahead, that is now entering into the cosmic energies with the divine white light. And this is going to be with the help of the goddess who is here to help us during the Navratri. As mentioned earlier, all our chakras get very sensitive. And when it is very sensitive, all the cosmic energies and the planetary arrangement which is there right now allows us to draw in the maximum energies which will help us be nourished, not just for a day or two, but being nourished till we have the same thing happening the next year. Until then, with the higher wisdom, we will be able to take the next leap with regards to awakening ourselves, and not just as a ritual, which often people think it's all to do with rituals, but rituals is one of the ways of meditation or prayers. And most important is how we inculcate these Devis into our lives. When we say Devis, these energies, the goddesses that reside within us, how we live or lead life on a regular basis should portray that yes, these goddesses, they are within us, and we are living as per the law of the universe which is created us as human beings. On that note, today let me speak about the Devi today whom we are going to invoke. Before that, we need to prepare ourselves, create a sacred space within our beingness so that we can welcome her into our life. So I would request all of you to gently be taking in deep breaths and gently breathing out. I would request you not to take heavy breaths because it's all about being able to transcend those energies very smoothly, gently, and with awareness. So be comfortably seated and take the 7 deep breaths very gently, breathing in and out through your nostrils, and be aware about your crown chakra at this point of time as you feel the vibrations of your breath reaching there up to your crown. Klim Ring Vardaye Namaha. Om Shri Kling Ring Vardaye Namaha. Om Kling Ring Vardaye Namaha. Take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. When we chant this mantra, we are worshipping her as the goddess who bestows the Vardhan, who bestows the blessings, and takes an oath to help us and guide us in all aspects of our life. Now you may take a deep breath in and pay reverence to this goddess. Feel her flowing in your whole body. Feel her presence in each and every cell of your body. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Ma Gauri Rupena Sanstita Namastasye, 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 namo namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Ma Gauri Rupena Sanstita Namastasye, 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 namo namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Ma Gauri Rupena Sanstita Namastasye, 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 namo namaha. The goddess who brings in wellness into our lives by giving us physical health, mental peace, and awakeness to see the purity and the bliss beyond the physical, mental, and the emotional bodies we are in. Visualize a beautiful white lotus blooming on your crown chakra, and the goddess beautifully, peacefully seated on that lotus, descending down through your crown, the ajna, the throat, and finally settling in your heart chakra. Today, let us reclaim the powers which we had lost due to our ignorance, due to the situations. Today, also seek forgiveness from your own self for having hurt your own self, knowingly or unknowingly. And as this lotus blooms in your heart chakra, feel the presence of peace, love, and harmony deep within you. Be aware of the peace which flows in your heart chakra and radiates to your whole body. Visualize a beautiful white elephant moving towards you. Feel the magnanimity of this beautiful white elephant. Welcome it into your heart chakra. Feel the magnanimity in your heart chakra, the ability to give and receive, for the goddess is like the flowing river. Following the right balance of giving and receiving with wisdom, intellect, compassion, and joy. Feel the peace deep within you and the joy of the newfound energy being radiated. Welcome her with a smile on your face as we now chant the Om. Take a deep breath in, and you may chant the Om or choose to listen to the chant which I do now. सर्वलोकशान्तिर्भवतु सर्वजीवर सुखिनः भवतु